Cielo is something that is above us, up there. Hi everyone! The Spanish word of the day is cielo. Cielo. Cielo is a Spanish noun. This means heaven, sky. Also, in some situations, cielo could mean sweetheart, honey, or dear. You know those words used among couples that love each other very much? Cielo is masculine when it means heaven or sky. So you can say el cielo or un cielo. And it doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples using cielo. El cielo se ve nublado. El cielo se ve nublado. Mira las estrellas en el cielo. Mira las estrellas en el cielo. Mi abuelita me ve desde el cielo. Mi abuelita me ve desde el cielo. Tengo que ser buena para ir al cielo. Tengo que ser buena para ir al cielo. Cielo, ¿quieres ir al cine? Cielo, ¿quieres ir al cine? Te quiero mucho, cielo. Te quiero mucho, cielo. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. As you can see, cielo has quite a few meanings. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!